Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tembeka from Izocom. Today's video is about Uthando Nesithembu. As we know that Mpumelelo shot a person with the aim of protecting his father. Not his father only, but the rest of the family. Because there was a man who enters Guamayeni carrying a gun, shouting, Upi, Umusa Mseleko siphi lesi sigebengu. On that time, it was early in the morning. Unfortunately, that man, he never survived. Now there are allegations. The allegation said this man came from jail and he was allocated as Samke Zkwela ex-husband. Samke Kwela is Musa Msele's wife number 5. Guys, if these allegations are true, that means Musa brought problem in his family on top of unsolved problem. Just like the issue of Mayeni's son who got poison unknown. Mayeni said Musa never supported her while she needed him the most. Now Musa put Mpumelelo in trouble. Not Mpumelelo only, including Mayeni. Just imagine Mayeni wants Musa about that 2K because of the gap between their age. Now they are in trouble. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it. Bye you.